Hello, saw your question. You want to factor this expression. It's from chapter 13, section 3. I guess it's 57 out of the book. So factoring is opposite of multiplying. When you're multiplying two binomials, there's something called the full method. It's a shortcut to using distributive property. You multiply, F stands for first, O, outer, inner, and last. And so you want to reverse the process. The product of the first terms has to give you 3v squared. There's only one way I can see that. One of them has to be v, and one of them has to be 3v. This product here, v times 3v, will give you 3v squared. Well, you need here we need the product of the last to be 5. I can only think of, 1 and 5 is the only thing I could think of to give you a product of 5. So you could have the 1 here, or the 5, the 1 or the 5 here, and then the other one here. Well, we need to get 16 out of this for the inner and the outer. So we really need the 5 here, and the 1 here. And so that would give it, if you're checking it, that would give you 15v there. That would give you 1v there, which would give you the 16v for the middle term, and then here that would be the last. So we're reversing the full method. The product of the first be 3v squared. Product of the inner and outer has to be the 16v, and the product of the last has to be 5. Hope this helps.